Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids, the beneficial effect of which shows itself both when taken by mouth and used externally. Today's video will discuss 11 uses for coconut oil you haven't heard before. For health. 1. When you get a cut or a small wound, coconut oil contributes to faster wound healing. Just oil the injured area of your skin. 2. Teeth and mouth care. Coconut oil successfully fights fetid breath and dental plaque. Wash your mouth with a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, mornings and evenings before brushing your teeth. 3. When suffering from inflammations, this oil has an anti-inflammatory effect. Use it to gargle when coughing, and oil injured areas when they get a burn or an insect bite. 4. When having a fever or pain, coconut oil acts as a fever reducer and a painkiller, which is why it's better to increase its consumption when you have a sore throat or other cold-related illness. 5. For thyroid glands, studies show that regular consumption of coconut oil improves thyroid gland function. For cooking. 6. Seasoning for first and second courses. You can add coconut butter to mashed potatoes, porridge, and soup. In addition to an interesting flavor, dishes with coconut butter reduce the appetite. 7. Mayonnaise. When making mayonnaise, use coconut oil instead of sunflower oil. You'll get a tasty and healthy product, as this oil reduces the level of bad cholesterol. 8. For eggs. Due to its antibacterial properties, coconut oil significantly increases the shelf life of eggs when applied to the eggshell. For daily needs. 9. A stock zipper. If you cannot unzip your bag or jacket, apply some coconut oil to a zipper to solve this problem. 10. Starting a fire. Instead of using chemical liquids, try a cotton ball soaked in coconut oil. 11. Leather goods. Coconut oil will make purses, handbags, shoes, gloves, and other leather products shine. Have you ever used coconut oil for your daily need? Let me know in our comment section below.